2. And if you are back, thanks, that means a lot. But if you haven't checked out part 1, go check it out as we cover the mighty glute bridge and the deadlift squat. So without me wasting your time, I wasted like what, couple seconds of your time, but let's continue with the third exercise. An exercise that not a lot of people do is a lunge. Now everybody needs to lunge, as like they always say, you've got to lunge to plunge. Or if you like getting plunged, you've got to lunge to get plunged. I don't think anyone says that, but you know what? I say that. But guys, bottom line is that you got to lunge, as it is a great unilateral exercise that will help bring up imbalances. So a lunge can either be done with dumbbells or barbells. We're gonna focus more on dumbbells due to the fact that it doesn't load the spine. So if you are doing a lot of barbell back squatting, deadlifting, rowing, glute bridging, or maybe you have inactive hips, or maybe you have some low back pain, or maybe, just maybe, you're a bit up there in age, a bit of an old geezer, and you're like, oh man, my low back, man. And this is a great exercise to do whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And not only that, but since the dumbbells are down your side and you're holding on, this is not only a great lower body builder, but it's also a phenomenal upper body builder, particularly focusing on the upper back and traps for stabilization and the forearms for grip, because you're gonna be hanging on to dear life on those dumbbells. Now, this is kind of similar to a farmer walk, and the farmer walk is actually known to be one of the best upper back trap and grip builders. The only difference here is that you're lunging. With that being said, you don't want to focus on it being your primary upper back trap builder, as this is going just to add extra stimulation to those muscle groups, okay? And just like the squat, the lunge has a number of variations, such as the forward lunge, the side lunge, and reverse lunge. But the variation I want to focus on the most is reverse lunge, because when you take that nice big step back, you really are stretching and targeting the glutes. Secondly, this is also great for people who have suffered knee injuries or have knee pain, as it's going to put less pressure on the knee compared to something like a forward lunge. And it's also great for beginners to learn, as it's very easy for them to learn. What you want to do, so you get your weights, 2 dumbbells. So from here, you want to keep upright as possible. Keep the core nice and tight and engaged. Flex the glutes. What we're going to do, take a nice big step back. As you come up, be flexing the glutes. See here, I'm already flexing the glutes. Then come here. Let's do it again. Big nice step back, come down. And as you come up, flex the glutes, come back up. Do it again. Nice big step back. As I come up, flex, up. I'm just gonna show you this side. Keep it upright as possible. Nice big step back. Come up, flex, up. And finally, how could I forget about the deadlift? Oh, the great deadlift. A fantastic full body exercise that undoubtedly will build your glutes, with countless variations to pick from, such as a sumo deadlift, the stiff leg deadlift, the Romanian deadlift, the deficit deadlift, the conventional deadlift. Pick the variation you like the most, that you actually care about and are motivated to progress on. Don't be pressured by people who say, oh, you gotta do this type of deadlift, you gotta do conventional deadlift, because if you don't do it, you're a pussy. No, because at the end of the day, whichever variation you pick, as long as you're happy, that's all that matters. Now, it is essential that you are doing some sort of deadlift or pull from the floor, because a lot of us, a lot of people have quad dominant exercises in their leg routine, such as squats, lunges, leg press, split squats, but not enough posterior chain exercises. And this is detrimental, because if you are doing a lot of quad dominant exercises and not enough posterior chain exercises, then your knees, they're in for a painful future, as you stand a greater chance of obtaining knee injuries and knee problems. So please, do your posterior chain exercises. And not only that, but deadlifts, particularly Romanian deadlifts, are incredible for your hamstrings. Because having a nice pair of sculptured glutes is one thing, but adding muscular and aesthetic hamstrings to those already beautiful, luscious glutes, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Your backside is gonna be looking sensational. Alright guys, those are the 4 exercises that guarantee 1,000,000% get you a nice, beautiful, good booty. But you have to get strong at them. That's the key, because the glutes are a big muscle. And in order for them to grow, you need to be hit with a heavy and substantial load. And these 4 exercises are great for that, as they are big exercises, meaning they're easier to progressively overload with, and they will hit the glutes from all angles. So your booty will be looking fabulous from the front, side, and rear. Oh damn! And you don't need to do all 4 of these exercises. You can do like squat and deadlift, or glute bridge and squat, or glute bridge and deadlift, or deadlift and lunge. Pick the exercises you want to do and that you feel you need to do in order to get that nice booty, okay? And the reason why I say this is because on Instagram, there's a lot of fitness influencers out there who are promoting and doing all these light and fluffy and just nonsense glute exercises like glute kickbacks and the hip abductor machine. And to be honest, when I see the girls doing the hip abductor machine, it looks nice. But these exercises are not going to add any more substantial muscle mass to your glutes compared to heavy glute bridges, heavy hip thrusts, heavy squats, heavy deadlifts, heavy lunges. And to be honest, it's better that you are doing the exercises that I just mentioned, because they are natural movement patterns that your body is used to. And yeah, you've probably heard of these exercises before. Are they flashy flash? No. But are they effective? Hell to the yes. Guys, that's the video. Hopefully you are doing these exercises, and if not, we'll incorporate 1, 2, 3, or maybe all 4 of them into your routine. And if you have no access to weight, then do bodyweight squats, bodyweight lunges, bodyweight glute bridges as a short and long-term health of your hips, lower back, and glutes. Well, thank you for it. Share the video so people can get the message. Hit the sub button, like the video so YouTube can promote it. But let's face it, why would YouTube want to promote a little black dude like me? But from wherever you are in the world, thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!